Okay, hello everyone. Right, so this is my camping setup, and what I'm going to do is, this is just a fairly standard backpack. All right, so I'm going to get everything into this backpack here. That's an iPad, so that's my daughter's iPad, so that is how big the bag is. So again, this is a water bottle. That's how big the bag is. Kind of a small water bottle in my hand, you can see there. So basically, I've gone and opted for an ultra compact, lightweight kit out. So what you're seeing here, this great big thing, is a spare tarp. So, you know, if it's really raining hard, etc., etc., I can put up this extra tarp, or it would make for a good kind of ground sheet, if you will, for, you know, a kind of a picnic or whatever, I don't know. It's just an extra tarp, many uses for that. So this is my chair here. It's a URPRO. It's basically got aluminium poles in it, very light, packs down really small. I'll show you more of that. So, I mean, no, I'm a fairly small guy. I can sit in that okay. And, you know, if I'm careful with it, this will be just fine. It's got like pockets on the side, whatever. It's a chair. It's better than nothing. We'll see how long that lasts, but, you know, there's certain people that this chair isn't going to work for. But, you know, it'll work for me. I weigh 67 kilograms without gear. So this is the tent that I went with. This tent is a 2-man tent. So this is so that I can, you know, store my gear inside and my valuables if the weather's really bad. The guy ropes will also bring this out as well. So somewhere to put my boots on the outer of the tent, on the inside. So yeah, I thought, you know, a 2-man tent and a 1-man tent, the weight difference is like, you know, minimal, so it's worth getting the 2-man tent. The really small tents kind of need guy ropes, and they come up with 2 poles. But if you're on terrain that's really soft mud or sandy, then the guy ropes have a tough time holding up the tent. So I went for a dome tent, and when I was looking at the weight of a 2-man tent versus a 1-man tent, it just made sense to get this really strong, rugged thing. Down here, we have my sleeping bag. So this sleeping bag packs up really small. It's a Roman sleeping bag. Basically, that's rated for 5 degrees. So if it's 0 or below 0, I'm going to be definitely wearing a jumper. Now this thing here is the mattress. I'll get it out into the... So this mattress is really, really nice, really comfortable, and you can kind of just like flip the head over like that to create a pillow. So it's long enough to do that. Really comfortable, and yes, you do have to blow it up, but you don't have to use your own lungs. It comes with like this bag, and you just kind of like swish the bag through the air, capture all the air, roll it up, create an air bubble, and then you kind of squeeze the air out of the bag and into this. It literally takes 4 bags and this thing, or 5 bags, and this thing will be fully inflated. Absolutely amazing, no effort at all, really quick, and it's got a quick release valve to let it out. So that's basically my house. We've got a mattress, we got a sleeping bag, we got a tent, we got a chair, and we got an extra tarp. Now I'm going to pack it all away. Okay, everyone, so that's it. Look, it wasn't the easiest thing, squeezing it into one backpack, but this backpack is just an example of how small you can get, you know, a whole house. How heavy is this? Gosh, I wish I could tell you, but it's going to be about 4 to 5 kilograms. I'd say probably 5. I'll just say 5, including the bag. But, you know, you could easily get everything in one large pannier. Yep, that's me. So the other pannier and the duffel bags would include clothes, minimal amount of clothes, and a minimal amount of food and cooking equipment. You know, the kind of stuff that you can either put over a fire or, you know, put in some boiling water. So that's it. That's my camping stuff. Ready to go.